Have you ever found yourself juggling multiple phone lines? Frustrated with dropped calls or missed messages? Well, I've got the solution for you, RingCentral. In this video, we'll walk you through the simple steps to register for a RingCentral account and transform your communication experience. Imagine having a unified communication platform that integrates voice, video, messaging, and collaboration tools. No more juggling multiple devices or apps. With RingCentral, you can streamline your workflow, boost productivity, and stay connected wherever you go. Step 1. Visit the RingCentral website. Let's get started. The first step is to visit the RingCentral website. You can find it by searching for RingCentral in your preferred web browser. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see a prominent Sign Up button. Click on it to begin the registration process. Step 2. Choose your plan. RingCentral offers a variety of plans to suit different needs and budgets. Take a moment to review the features and pricing options. Consider your team size, communication requirements, and desired features. Once you've selected the plan that best aligns with your needs, click on the Select Plan button. Step 3. Enter your information. The next step is to provide your basic information. This typically includes your name, email address, and phone number. Enter your details accurately to ensure a smooth registration process. Step 4. Create your password. Choose a strong password to protect your account. Make sure it's a combination of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid using easily guessable information like your birthday or pet's name. Step 5. Verify your email. After entering your password, you'll receive a verification email. Check your inbox and click on the verification link to confirm your email address. This is a crucial step to activate your RingCentral account. Step 6. Set up your account. Once your email is verified, you'll be prompted to set up your account. This may involve providing additional information such as your business name and address. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup process. Additional tips. Explore RingCentral's features. Take some time to familiarize yourself with the various features offered by RingCentral. From call forwarding and voicemail to video conferencing and team messaging, there's a tool for every communication need. Customize your settings. RingCentral allows you to customize your settings to match your preferences. Adjust your voicemail greeting, set call forwarding rules, and personalize your phone interface. Integrate with other tools. RingCentral integrates seamlessly with popular business applications like Microsoft Office 365 and Google Workspace. This can help you streamline your workflow and improve productivity. Registering for RingCentral is a simple and straightforward process that can significantly enhance your communication capabilities. By following the steps outlined in this video, you'll be well on your way to experiencing the benefits of a unified communication platform. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.